Poti, the historic port city in Georgia's Black Sea coast, offers travelers a unique blend of maritime charm, cultural heritage, and natural beauty. From boutique stay, guest houses, and riverside cottages to mid-range hotel with modern amenities, each property here offer comfort and a taste of Georgian hospitality. The first one is Riverside Cottage Poti. This charming riverside retreat offers guests a serene stay with beautiful garden views and direct access to the banks of the Rioni River. The property is designed for peace and relaxation, featuring cozy, well-kept rooms and a seasonal outdoor pool for leisure. Guests frequently highlight the warm and attentive host who ensures every need is met. Its location are away from the main hustle make it perfect for unwinding while still being close to city essentials. The second one is Geo Palace Kolkati National Park. Set near the entrance of Kolkati National Park, Geo Palace is a great choice for nature lovers and bird watchers. The property features comfortable rooms, leafy surroundings, and a peaceful ambience that allow you to connect with the outdoors. Guests enjoy the hearty breakfast, helpful staff, and convenient parking facilities. With its close proximity to the parks, wetlands, and lagoons, the hotel doubles as both as a base for adventure and a claim retreat. The third one is Express Inn. Express Inn is a popular budget-friendly hotel that combines practicality with heartfelt Georgian hospitality. The rooms are neat and functional, designed for travelers who prioritize comfort and cleanliness over luxury. Guests appreciate the welcoming atmosphere, the willingness of staff to assist with transport and tips, and the simple but reliable amenities. For those passing through Poti or traveling on a budget, it is a trusted stop that feels homely. The fourth one is Hotel Park Green. Hotel Park Green is favored for its balance of comfort and convenience, offering cozy rooms with modern amenities at reasonable rates. Its location near the beach is a big advantage for travelers who want to combine leisure with city sightseeing. The friendly staff and tidy space make it especially appealing for families and couples. The fifth one is Faze Hotel. Faze Hotel is a straightforward mid-range property with round-the-clock reception and airport transfer service for added convenience. Business and transit travelers particularly appreciate its accessible location and reliable service. Guests also highlight its friendly staff and consistent standards, making it a dependable choice in the city. The next one is Ruslan Hotel 1, a modern yet well-reviewed hotel. Ruslan Hotel 1 offers affordable accommodation without compromising on comfort. The rooms are spacious, clean, and equipped with essentials like Wi-Fi and air conditioning. Its quiet location adds to its charm, making it suitable for families and solo travelers alike. Guests also value its pet-friendly policy and overall affordability, which make it a great budget-friendly option. The next one is Apartment Stay in Poti. For those who prefer independence, apartment-style accommodation in Poti provide privacy, space, and flexibility. Travelers on extended stays appreciate the homely feel, while couples enjoy the relaxed environment. They are also often located in peaceful residential area, giving visitors a chance to experience Poti like a local. The next one is Guest House Dom delle Agoste, translated to House for Guests. This property offers a warm, traditional Georgian guest house experience. Rooms are clean, well furnished, and designed for a cozy home away from home experience. It's an excellent choice for travelers who value personal touch and authentic hospitality. The second last is Magroli House. Magroli House blends heritage with simplicity, offering rooms that are spacious, clean, and decorated with a touch of traditional charm. Its quiet surroundings make it an appealing choice for relaxation while still remaining close to the city attractions. For travelers seeking value and genuine Georgian warmth, this hotel stands out. The last one is Boutique Guest House in Poti, a newer addition to the city's accommodation scene. Boutique style Guest houses offer stylish interiors, peaceful gardens, and modern amenities in an intimate setting. Guest highlights the blend of contemporary design with homely comfort. With attentive service and a quiet atmosphere, it is particularly suited for couples and those who wanting something unique compared to standard hotels. Fortis hotel offering may be modest compared to larger Jordan cities, but it captures the spirit of local hospitality and provide everything a traveler might need. From riverside cottages and guest houses reaching personal care to mid-range hotel catering to business and layers, the city's accommodation strike a balance between simplicity and comfort.